Another bird has gone. Another part of each of us is gone. Yeah. Another right has been wronged, but we go on until the words of each of us are altered.